doesn't just move you from one place to another, but makes every single journey feel like a grand event. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT is exactly that kind of machine, and from the very first glance, it's clear this isn't just a luxury coupe, it's a statement of power, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. The moment you see the Continental GT, its presence is impossible to ignore. The long, sculpted hood flows effortlessly into a wide, confident stance, giving the car a powerful yet graceful posture. The iconic matrix grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by Bentley's signature oval LED headlights that sparkle like fine jewelry. Every curve feels deliberate, from the muscular rear haunches to the smooth, flowing roofline that defines the grand tourer silhouette. The 2026 model refines this design even further with sharper detailing, improved aerodynamics, and subtle modern touches that keep it fresh without losing its classic identity. Step closer, and the attention to detail becomes almost overwhelming. The paint finishes are deep and rich, designed to catch the light in a way that highlights every curve of the body. The wheels, available in multiple sizes and intricate designs, add to the sense of strength and luxury, while chrome and dark accents are perfectly balanced to suit both traditional and sporty tastes. Okay, open the door and you enter a world that feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car interior. The cabin of the 2026 Continental GT is handcrafted to an extraordinary level. Fine leather, real wood veneers, polished metal, and optional carbon fiber elements come together in perfect harmony. Every stitch is placed by skilled artisans, and every surface feels premium to the touch. The seats are not only beautiful, but incredibly comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, massage functions, some endless adjustment options to suit any driver or passenger. At the center of the dashboard is Bentley's rotating display, one of the most unique features in the luxury car world. It's a simple press of a button. The screen rotates to reveal either a modern touchscreen, a clean panel of handcrafted wood, or a set of classic analog dials. It's a brilliant blend of old-school charm and cutting-edge technology, allowing you to choose how digital or traditional you want your driving experience to feel. When it comes to technology, the Continental GT doesn't hold back. The 2026 model features an updated infotainment system with faster response times, seamless smartphone connectivity, advanced navigation, and a premium sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision, and 360-degree cameras are all designed to make long journeys safer and more relaxing without taking away from the joy of driving. Now, let's talk about performance, because beneath all this luxury lies serious power. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT offers a range of powerful engine options, including a refined V8 and Bentley's legendary W12, depending on the market and configuration. These engines deliver effortless acceleration, pushing the car from 0 to highway speeds in just a few seconds, all while remaining incredibly smooth and quiet. The power delivery is refined rather than aggressive, making the Continental GT feel fast without ever feeling stressful. The all-wheel drive system ensures confident grip in all conditions, while advanced air suspension constantly adapts to the road. In comfort mode, the car glides over bumps like they barely exist. Switch to sport mode, and the Continental GT tightens up, becoming more responsive and engaging, proving that this luxury coupe can also be a true driver's car. Despite its size and weight, the steering feels precise. The balance is impressive, especially on long, sweeping roads, where the car truly comes alive. One of the biggest strengths of the Continental GT is how effortlessly it blends luxury and performance. You can cruise for hours in complete comfort, enjoying the silence and smoothness, or push the car harder and feel its power and precision respond instantly. It's this dual personality that makes the Continental GT such a unique, grand tour. What truly sets the 2026 Bentley Continental GT apart is its exclusivity and personalization. Bentley offers an almost endless range of customization options, from unique color combinations to bespoke interior trims, stitching patterns, and even personalized details that make each car feel truly one of a kind. This isn't just a car you buy, it's a car that's built around you. In the end, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT is not about chasing trends or impressing with flashy gimmicks. It's about timeless design, handcrafted luxury, and powerful performance wrapped into one beautifully balanced package. It's a car for those who appreciate tradition but demand modern excellence. A machine that turns every drive into an experience. And once you've spent time behind the wheel, it becomes clear the Continental GT isn't just transportation. It's a celebration of what a true luxury grand tour should be.